Hey guys, the Pirate RC here, and I was doing some crazy spins, and I seemed to broke the front of my Ultrix again. No big deal because I got some foam tack. So we're going to just glue her back together. This will be the second time. I thought she broke at the same point she did last time, but she didn't. I broke it right here before, if you can barely see that. So yeah, this EPP is pretty dang durable. So I'm just going to stick some glue on here. And I think what I'm going to do is just stick this piece. It fits in here perfectly. See there? She binds up good. That's about where she needs to be. Pull this stuff apart. It looks like a spider web. Take a few seconds here. Okay, that's good enough. Anyway, we'll take this, stick it right back on there. See, look pretty good lined up. Got some glue right here coming out. We'll just wipe that off a little bit. Okay, so there's that part. I bent my props too, but I just bent them right back out. Alright, so the front end broke off again. I think I broke it in a different spot than it's been broke before. So we did the same thing. We'll just stick some foam tack on here. Get it on here really good. The bottle's getting low. And then I'll just see that there, stuck on there really good. I'll just take the nose piece, stick her on there. Oop. And it sticks on like that. Pull it back apart. Look at that. So gooey, like a spider web. Looks like hot glue, or like a cheesy pizza. No, don't taste like pizza. Okay, so a couple of seconds here. We'll wait. The camera person can hold the camera still for a minute. And we'll just stick it right back together. Get it lined up. This is my first Ultrix. Hope you can tell that. It's a beat up one. The white on the top. Got some gooey stuff here, so we just wipe it kind of down. Smooth it out. She don't care no more. She's all beat up, but she still fly good. Uh-oh. Looks like my prop is a little bit crooked there. We'll bend it back. Why does it look like my prop is totally crooked? Oh well. They'll still fly. So we'll let that sit there for about maybe 20 minutes or not. And I dented the wing over here, guys. I don't know if I did that just now, or if when I hit the tree, or when I hit the power line again, or hit something. You know what? I ain't even worried about it. Cause see, it still got its first battle scar. Actually, first battle scar is here. Second one was here. Third one, fourth one, fifth one. Yeah, you get the idea. This probably been glued back together a few times. So, yeah, after that drives a little bit. I don't know which battery I flew. It don't matter. Okay, guess what? I got onboard telemetry. They'll tell me. Hey guys, I ain't even tested my electronics since I hit the ground. I'm doing death rolls, rifle rolls, and it just came out going the wrong direction. And I lost my hatch, lost my fin. Fins are popping off easy now. Yep, everything came off.
Receiver 4.2 volts.
Ah, 4.2 volts. I put a new one in. Oh, okay. Hey, look at it. Everything still works. Hey, y'all think that been long enough to dry? I do. Oh well. So somebody said 20 minutes. Still flies.
volts.
Yeah, I got a bent prop. That tree got in my way too. Don't you just hate when trees get in your way?
30 seconds.
Well, I was in save mode. No wonder I didn't have no power. That was my timer for my old battery.
10. Receiver 3.7 volts. Timer expired. Timer stopped.
Yep, she still flies, y'all. Just a little bit of glue. She don't mind. Thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.